In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an API key on ElevenLabs. To get started, open ElevenLabs and log into your account. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a moment to look at the lower left corner of the screen. Depending on the version of the layout you see, you may notice a Developers section, your profile icon, or an option called My Workspace. The exact label can vary slightly, but the goal is the same. This is where you will access your account and developer settings. Click on Developers section in the dashboard in that lower left area. After that, look for the option labeled API Keys and select it. This will take you to the section where you can manage any existing keys and create new ones for your projects. Next, click the Create Key button, which may appear with a plus symbol next to it. This opens the form where you will set up your new API key. The first thing you will be asked to do is name the key. Choose a descriptive name that helps you recognize what the key will be used for later. For example, you might name it based on the app, workflow, or project it belongs to. Using clear names makes things much easier if you ever create multiple keys in the future. After naming the key, set the permissions. This part is important because permissions control what the key is allowed to access. Depending on your needs, you can choose features such as text-to-speech, voice cloning, or sound effects. A good practice is to give the key only the access it actually needs. That helps keep your account more secure and makes your setup easier to manage over time. Once everything looks correct, click Create Key. ElevenLabs will then generate the new API key for you. As soon as it appears, copy it immediately using the Copy button. This is very important because in many platforms, the full key may only be shown once for security reasons. After copying it, save the key securely in a safe place, such as a trusted password manager or another secure storage method you use for credentials. Avoid leaving it in plain text documents or sharing it carelessly, since API keys can provide access to your account features. And that's it. Thanks for watching.